Okay, so to check IP address, ipconfig. If it is a Linux, ifconfig. In Linux, not only one command, multiple type of command. Ifconfig, ip addr, okay, nmcli. Okay, so different commands are there. Okay, so in Windows we are talking. So ipconfig /all to only to get MAC address, get MAC. ERP space -a, that is also I told. Okay. Next command we discuss ping. Trace RT also I told. Okay. Trace RT. These commands we have seen. In ipconfig, we can tell VPN also. So it will cover a very basic part. ipconfig all release. I will tell few other points, guys. Okay. Renew. This is another command. Netstat. Netstat. Root. Root. Okay. To find a root path, like a root pint command is there. Root. Okay. Flush DNS. You want flush DNS command? That is again ipconfig display DNS. It will show all your DNS records. Next one is flush DNS. What happened when I try to access google.com, facebook.com, youtube.com? So my DNS server gave me an IP address. So it will store in my cache. In my PC, it's stored in a cache key. So I no need to ask again and again. Okay, I no need to ask again and again. So for example, I got a IP address of www.w3schools.com. So I need address of www.w3schools.com. Okay, want to see that is displayed here. Flash DNS is that.
Sir, your voice is breaking. Sir, you are not audible.
Now can I able to hear?
No, sir, our voice is breaking.
Checking.
Internet connectivity.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Because I'm not speaking. My network related issue is there. Network problem is there. So because I'm not doing anything. Can you hear now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then.
Yes, sir.
So
Now
maybe confused between two networks. So I disconnected one network.
Interference. But not right now, sir.
Okay, so you'll see. These are the commands. So will guys able to see my screen? Screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So ipconfig display DNS. So it will display all my DNS queries. See this? Like this. It means, see, this is a google.com. Google.com. Okay? docs.google.com. Record name and IP address. It will be in my PC only. It will be in my PC only. Now, for a certain reason, I don't want it. All this information is occupying my space. Okay, so for certain reason, I don't want it. I want to remove all these things. Display DNS. Next one is flush DNS. I want to remove all these queries. I successfully flushed. Can check it. Of course, there is fixed data is there. Where is this divorces.google.com? That is not showing. Okay, that part is removed. Okay. Okay, guys, like this. So try commands. Already we know all these things. What is the use of release? It flushes dynamic IP address. Means you got IP address automatically. You got an IP address automatically. That will be flashes, not automatically. Dynamic, automatic. Okay, so manual IP addresses we can't flush. Okay, flush means remove. Flush means remove. Release means the dynamically configured IP address will be removed. Renew means is try to get IP address from DHCP server. Okay, this is the kind of stuff. Okay, there's some more commands are there related to networking, guys. Just I want to tell a few points. See, when you check IP address, it's showing 169.254.something. Okay, it means okay, it means you got APIPA address. Okay, of course, means error. Issue column. Okay. So why you will get it an error? Okay. If you fail to get, actually I want to start a hardware, but still continue some services. If you fail to get IP address from DHCP server, system configure itself an IP address based on NIC MAC address from APIPA Range. What is APIPA Range? 169.254.0.1 to 169.254.255.254. APIPA means automatic IP address. Which IP address? Private IP address. Okay. So you go to the network and check what is the IP address. Okay, you go to the network and checking what is my IP address. That is APIPA range. So you check the IP address for what is your IP address. Either command prompt or a GUI mode. You go to control panel, network and sharing center and change adapter settings. You see the adapter, double click details, and the IP address is showing 169.254. Means you got a problem. So you are not getting IP address from DHCP server, and your system configure itself an IP address based on MAC address from IPIPA range. So it use this range, and based on your MAC address, it generate a new IP address to you. Okay. So what to do? You got APIPA. What to do? Check DHCP server. You have a DHCP server separately. Go to a DHCP server. Check the connectivity. Your router connectivity. Okay, sometimes you have a router. Okay, check the connectivity. If possible, restart service. Restart the services and make sure DHCP server running and service is available. DHCP service is available. Now at client PC, what to do? Two options. One is go to search, run ncpa.cpl. Easy to access purpose. ncpa.cpl. Okay, on adapter. So right click, enable and enable. This is one option, or you can go to CMD. In CMD, use command ipconfig release, okay, and ipconfig renew. Okay, so use these commands. First, release for a removing configured IP address, renew to get a new IP address from DHCP server. Guys, this is APIPA automatic private IP address. Okay. Commands. Guys, for any networking related issues, even VPN is not, I will tell the troubleshooting, simple troubleshooting, and based on OSA model and anything, guys. So any network issues, okay. So to resolve network issues, you have to understand to resolve any network issues. OSI model is useful. That is one point. The next one is know what exactly know what exactly you error or issue or what it is showing a display. So check it, what is that error, what is an issue, the display what you are able to see. So I cannot able to put in a lines guys, but I am trying to tell what exactly you are seeing, what is kind of issue it is. So if you look at, then you will understand. Way to start to resolve issue. Troubleshoot. Okay. So for example, in your system it is showing in your system it is showing like this. Okay, like this. It means it is a connectivity related issues. It's not a direct cross mark. It is internet is not there. Connectivity is there, but internet is not there. Okay, not connected. This is showing not connected. This is no internet. Difference is guys. Internet is just outside network. Connectivity to switch, connectivity to router. That's the connectivity. That's the difference. Okay. So what you are looking at physical part. Okay. So I will show you that one. So in Windows 7, it shows clearly like not Windows 7. Network adapter not connected. Okay, I will show you that images also. This is device drivers related troubleshooting. Not this one, not this one. No. I see red cross mark. Worst of the worst. NIC means okay, network adapter. Yeah, like this. Like this means not connected. Means not connected. This is connected but not connected but not what we can say,
Not in range.
no internet. This is connectivity is there but internet is not there. This is not connected means the cable connectivity problem, either this end or that end, or Wi-Fi is not connected. Okay, either this end or other end. First is physical connectivity wise. First immediately you have to check it physical connectivity and internet connectivity. Okay, so without internet we can communicate within the network. Without internet we can communicate within the network. Within the network you can able to communicate. Okay, but you are not getting internet means definitely where is the problem? Okay, so you are not getting internet means so connectivity, or if symbol is showing like this, so there is internet problem or IP address related problem. So So from your system to your Wi-Fi router or your modem, so you have to check the connectivity between your device to your modem. Okay, so here I will tell from one by one. This is your device, and this is a switch or a hub, your router modem kind of concept. Okay, if connectivity is problem, then what you will get it? Connectivity related issue. So you will get a cross mark. Connectivity related issue. You got a this mark, exclamatory mark, means internet related issue, means connectivity is there, but there is a problem with your internet connectivity. Okay, so this is internet problem, connectivity problem, not connected. So if you see visibly, you will understand that. You know, if you are having a, like it is, if you go to any ncpa.cpl, that's you can get it. In network adapters, you will find it is disconnected, cross mark. Sometimes not disconnected, maybe adapter is disabled. You have to check adapter is disabled. Okay. Adapter is disabled. I will show you here. You can see adapter is disabled. So then you have to enable it. Okay, it is a disabled adapter. If adapter is disabled, so it will show no connectivity. Wire is there, connected, outside, other side is also connected. Both side connectivity is there. Both side you are checking physically, both are connected, but it is showing not connected. Why? Maybe adapter is disabled. Okay. In our PC, at our PC also, if it is a wide type of connectivity, generally for a desktop type, okay, so it will show the blinking. You connect with the cable, there is a LED blinking is there. So you can understand if it is blinking means both the side connectivity is there, means this side to this side connectivity is there. Your internet is not getting, but from your PC to the switch or a hub is connected. Connectivity is there. Maybe it is an IP related problem or internet related problem. So we don't know that one. Connectivity, physical layer troubleshooting we are doing now. Okay. So even the blinking status we can assume in a blinking status also we can assume what is happened to our devices. From this blinking status, we can assume what is happened to our devices. Okay, so it is both are off, connectivity is not there. One is off, means activity LED is off, means no connectivity. Activity LED showing orange color, and other is off. Okay, other is off. It's 10 Mbps type of connectivity. Okay, and this side orange, both are orange, 100 Mbps connectivity. Orange is blinking and other side green means 1 Gbps connected, depends upon your adapter. Okay. So simple to understand, no LED blinking, two both are not LED blinking, definitely it is no connectivity. One LED is blinking, other is not blinking means it's a off duplex mode or it's a 10 Mbps type of connectivity. Both are showing orange, orange, yellow, yellow kind of stuff. It is 100. Depends upon your NIC. Okay. Even for a switches, if you take a switch side, means other end of the cable is connected to a switch or a hub, you may identify connectivity from LED blinking. You can identify connectivities there are not from either this LED blinking or side LED blinking. So you can physically look at that one. There is a LED blinking means connectivity is there. Both LEDs are blinking. That is a good connectivity. You know, even for laptops, I want to keep this one separate one place. So this is for a laptop. Okay, NIC, just to not to forget how it is look like. That's it, side it is. Guys, sometimes you may not install the device drivers. I will show you that one. So go to control panel or directly you can open device manager. No problem. So you open the device manager in it. Okay. So this is my network adapters. So you can see my network adapter here. If it shows like this, can you see this is a black down mark, black color down mark it is. Black color down mark like this. It means disabled. Device is disabled. You can see properties, drivers. Enable device means it is disabled. You can also see device is disabled. If I disable this device, it shows like this. Okay. Another symbol is, of course, either question mark, yellow question mark. Okay, there is a yellow question mark or a yellow triangle with a black exclamatory mark inside. It means there is a error in your device. Okay. So what we can able to do it? So better go to the properties, drivers, uninstall the device, check all these things, guys. First of all, check general, device is working, not working, any error codes. First check the device status. Next go to drivers, uninstall the drivers, restart your PC, maybe it will work. Sometimes drivers related issues. So what you can do? So first of all, go to control panel, go to device drivers, check your devices. Okay, so check your devices. Right click on the devices, go to properties, select a device. I have to keep it this one separately, somewhere like this. That is good. So document now. Okay. Now see, first you go to device manager, see the device manager. In the device manager, so which adapter you want to troubleshoot, right click on it, go to the properties, and then first in general tab, check device working or not. If it is showing any code, search whatever the thing is happen with the device. Okay. Next one is go to drivers, either update drivers and also check the digital signature, update drivers, or you can do uninstall the drivers. Uninstall the drivers and restart your PC. So then your drivers will be reinstalled automatically and it may work. Okay. So this is basic physical layer type of connectivity. In OS layer, physical connectivity. So any issues occur, first what is happened. So you must know what is actually happened. Internet is not connected or physically not connected. Physically not connected, make sure that how it is showing, cross mark or like this it is showing, it's a disabled adapter like LED blinkings. Okay, and also device drivers related troubleshooting from your PC, you can do it. So next one is IP address related. IP address related. So in the same LAN network, guys, in the same LAN network, I have two systems are there, for example, and I'm giving complaint I am not able to get an IP address. Already one I told, that is APIPA. Your PC having an APIPA address, you can't communicate. It's an error. Okay, so this is PC1. It having an IP address like a 10.0.0.11. I have another PC like this. It's a PC2. 10.0.0.12. Two PCs. Both are configured properly. Both are connected. Okay, connectivity is there. Okay, it is good now, so it is connected. Now, so from PC1, I am trying to ping. Okay, so from PC1 to PC2, I want to ping. I want to test the connectivity between PC1 and PC2 to see the connectivity. So I want to check the connectivity between PC1 and PC2. From PC1, I am pinging to PC2's IP address. I am pinging to PC2 IP address. What is PC2 IP address? 10.0.0.12. So if I am getting reply from destination IP address, ping is successful, connectivity issue is not there. Or you are getting destination unreachable, destination host usually will get a unreachable, means ping failed, there is an issue. Or you are getting request timed out, it's a ping failure again. So what is this kind of stuff? Reply from destination is successful, no problem. Okay, but you got these things, it is a problem, then it is a possibility. Okay, destination host not reachable. I think I given this details anytime before or after checking an IP address part.
No, sir.
Okay, not for your batch. I think I given, yeah. I given this small information, destination host not reachable kind of stuff. Okay, no, and it's a troubleshooting. Okay, so what you should understand, destination host unreachable means either destination PC is not there, or it is down, wrong IP address, or it is disconnected. Request timed out means the destination device is down, wrong IP address, or disconnected, or firewall is blocking your issues. Path not available, destination device not in your network. Okay, of course, it's not in your network. Maybe it is not in outside of your network also. Okay, so there is so many other things are there. So compulsory check the IP address and destination device availability also check it. Sometimes we do wrong IP address also. So I given that information is here. So I'm trying to ping to one of my complete data. Actually, I want to type it, but it is already 6 o'clock. Okay, so if I give that, at least you will read it. Compulsory guys, I am pinging to this IP address. So check it, ping 172.168.16.194.85 PC. Ping is, I got a reply from this machine. It means from my PC to destination PC, I can able to communicate. Now I am trying to communicate to some PC that is 90. Whether it is there or not, I don't know. Okay, either it is a wrong IP address, or maybe it is the destination that actually 80 PC is there. Now it is not there. So just before I will check 183, right? So 183 PC is still available. Okay. Now maybe morning I came and check it. It is not. It is showing destination host not reachable. Means maybe the PC is down or disconnected from the network. Okay. So that is a possibilities are there. You given certain things. For example, I given like this. It's a different network. It's not in my network. You may get a request timed out because you have a default gateway. You have a default gateway. The default gateway, wise you have to. So automatically your router is trying to send packet to outside of the network, but it is a private IP address, so it cannot send to anyone. So you are getting like this. Again, it is a possibility that either destination host is a down, or maybe IP address is wrong IP address. Okay, sometimes the firewall is blocking your request. The firewall is blocking your request. You are sending a echo request using ICMP protocol. That is maybe blocked by your firewall. Okay, that is actual Linux PC, but I will show you in Windows system. Of course, Linux system also can get it. And become inactive. Why? Numbers are working on same machine with same. So I have an open protocol, port number 80, HTTP, HTTPS, SSH. Okay, like these protocols are open. Even SEMP something, it will be open inside. Okay, it is by default, it is open. Coming to my PC, guys, I am going to firewall. Windows Defender Firewall. You can go to control panel and Windows Defender Firewall. So you can see it's inbound rules and outbound rules. Okay, so what I will do, I will open from control panel. Go to control panel, Windows Defender Firewall. Okay, for example, at your destination system, you are trying to send packets. You're pinging. IP address is correct. Okay, connectivity is there, physical connectivity is there, IP address is correct. Destination device is also available. Destination is available, IP is good, connectivity is there, means physical connectivity is there. But when you are pinging, you are getting request timed out. You are getting request timed out. So what you will do? Check the firewall. So if it is showing the screen check mark like this, maybe it is blocking. There is one assumption, guys. Maybe it is blocking your ping request for protection purpose. For protection purpose. Why ping, guys? Ping by default will send 32 bits of data. You can increase that data size also. So any person, you can you don't require any hacking techniques. With a ping also, you can attack certain systems. In olden days, it is very easy. Okay, so this is your PC. Someone send a ping request to your PC. Your firewall do not allow that request to you. Okay, it will tell, no, I don't allow your ping request. Okay, so this person will wait for a reply. So you is not getting reply from here. So what you will get it? Request timed out. Request timed out means IP address is correct, device is available and connectivity is there, but this firewall is blocking your pings. So I'm not getting any reply from here and I'm waited for reply, then it is become request timed out. So what to do? Better not to do like this, but this is just for a private network, no problem sometimes. So you have to go to turn Windows Firewall on or off. Turn Windows Firewall on or off. Turn off the Windows Defender Firewall and click OK. But this is not recommended. Guys, if you are in a public network, like you went to the caves, hotels, you are using public network, railway stations, those are all direct public networks. You don't know who is connecting there. In your home, you know who are connected. In your office, you know who are connected. But in public, you don't know who are connected. If you turn off your firewall, what will happen? What is user firewall, this one? It is used to protect your system from external attacks, mainly. Now you are remove the firewall, means like you open the gate, you open the entire door, completely door open. So anybody can able to enter into your PC, mainly in a public network. So do not turn off your firewall. Okay, it's not recommended. It's not good at all. Yes, understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If in case you are in a private network and you don't want to turn off your firewall, then what to do? So go to advanced settings. Go to advanced settings. So just before we open, that will be open here. Inbound rules, outbound rules means like a incoming and outgoing type of rules are there. So go to inbound rules. So you want a ping only. You are allowing ping only. So you can see in firewall, guys, not only protocols or IP address, applications, services, kind of stuff. Okay, see, these are my applications, connections, or you can see firewall enable. So for something, firewall is disabled. So rules of firewall, you want to create your own rule. So click on new rule. You can create a rule for a program, port number, predefined and custom. Okay, that you can able to do it, but I am doing this core networking. So we'll do in the core networking part. Like this. Can you see echo request? ICMP echo request IPv4. These things not in a green check mark means enabled policy, no. Policy is not enabled and action is yellow. Enable policy, no. Action is yellow. Means if I enable this rule, so I can able to receive a ping request from it. So what is my IP address? Ipconfig. What is my IP address? 59. Okay. This is my remote PC. From remote PC, I'm trying to ping to my system. Okay, don't worry what I'm doing. 172, 16, 194, 59, right? That is my laptop. I'm pinging from my remote PC to me ping request. Okay, of course, I'm getting a ping request. That is, okay, continuous ping. Stop it. So I'm getting reply from destination. Yeah, ping is there because already we exchange the ping things. No. Okay. If it is not working, it is showing request timed out. Then what to do? Right click, enable these rules. 3 rules. This is for a domain, private domain again it is showing. Okay guys, ICMP echo request. Enable this rule and make sure it is yellow. So you want to have a doubt, yellow, deny, what is that? See, this is block. The rule is enabled. The rule is enabled, okay, and it is blocked. Rule is enabled and yellow. Rule is enabled. Can we also create an extended ACL and router also? In your private network, you don't use a router here. Okay, so in WAN kind of networks, or maybe in a large router network, we may use it. In your own private, you have a laptop and someone is sending a packet to you directly through switch. So you don't need a router here, right? You are in a same network. Sometimes what will happen? Yeah, good. Okay, sometimes what will happen? You receive your system is blocking your ping request from other for safe reason. Okay, so you want to allow only ping, so you can allow that one. And of course, there is a IPsec policies also there, which user, which IP address you are allowed to ping. That one is also there. So this is the basic point of ping point. Okay. Um, guys, and also check both are in a same network or in a different network, and make sure no conflicts. The firewall thing I didn't add it here. I think I add a firewall. This is for APIPA. So what I have added, so go to this request turned out for built-in firewall. 1 second, guys. Just it's timed out. Yeah, I explained what is the destination host unreachable request timed out. Okay, next one is check your IP, check IP address of your device and other devices. Make sure both are in the same LAN, and so they must be in the same IP network. Okay, guys, for example, google.com may be different IP address, different network because it's outside of my network. If I said like if this is a system which is in my network, this system is in my LAN, it means their IP address in my network. Okay, see that PC IP address in my network. What is this /22?
Subnet mask.
Very good. Represent the subnet mask. So Y22 means it's a different network. You can see this is my subnet mask, not 255, right? 252. So like that you have to, both network ID must be same again. This PC network ID, that PC network ID, you have to calculate. So both systems are in the same LAN means both should be in the same network. IP network means their network portion or network ID must be same. ID must be same. Okay. So either of the device IP address, no conflict. It means no two devices with anyone or both are should not be in a conflicted IP address. Means same IP should not be assigned to multiple devices. Make sure destination device available and connected. Make sure you see the correct IP address and subnet mask. Okay. Okay, use the correct IP and check the default gateway IP address. Guys, any network related issues, you don't know how to test the connectivity because you need a destination, right? I know that certain device destination, so I can test it. I don't know any destination. For example, I don't know any other device IP address. What to do? I don't know any other device in the network to test my connectivity. What to do? First check the Ipconfig. What is my default gateway? From my PC to my router connectivity, right? My gateway connectivity. So ping to gateway. It will tell you from your PC to your router or your gateway connectivity is there. Means you are connected, your connectivity is safe. Okay, check the connectivity. Ping to your default gateway. So from your PC to your LAN side router or gateway is clear. Outside internet connectivity, that is we don't know, right? At least our connectivity is good. And of course, I told request timed out is because of your system built-in Wi-Fi router. Maybe it is because of default gateway, wrong IP address, remote destination device not available. Destination host not reachable. Also, I told wrong IP address. And this is already I told. I can just copy paste it now. So we got it. So your IP address showing APIPA kind of IP address means you failed to get a IP from DHCP server. Normal IP it will shows like this: DHCP enable yes, DHCP enable yes. You got a normal IP address like this, including lease obtained, lease expiry, DHCP server address also showing here. But if you see, it is not showing any other details. DHCP enable yes, auto configuration IP address 169.254.13.152 and subnet mask 255.255.0.0. No default gateway, no DNS server, no DHCP server. Meaning is you got IP address here. You got correct IP. You got a proper IP from DHCP server because DHCP enable yes, IP address is there, subnet mask is there, lease uptime, lease expiry, default gateway, DHCP, DNS address. You got full set from DHCP server. Mainly DHCP server address is there, DHCP enable, lease uptime, lease expiry means you got proper IP from DHCP server. Check the DHCP server address. Here no DHCP server address, no default gateways. Meaning is you got wrong IP address. And DHCP enable yes, but no DHCP server means it is wrong IP. It's APIPA IP. Already I told what it is. So this is for firewall. The screen. Why I should again screenshot and all to save the time. I copy pasted from there. You can turn on or off your DHCP kind of stuff. This is good. This is firewall. How to check the firewall and enable the firewall. So you can use your OS layer for troubleshooting, guys. Physical connectivity, IP addresses, firewalls, and application side. Maybe your server is not running. I'm sending and receiving a mail. I'm not getting mails from my server. Then maybe it is a mail server is down. I'm trying to access a website. If this server is down, I can't access, right? So it may be the destination related problem, destination service related problem, protocol related problem, right? So it's not only from your end, also it is because of service. For example, I'm adding something. So this is my URL. I'm trying to access this page. So what I'm getting? Sorry, we cannot seem to find. It's like a 404 page error. Means your URL is wrong. A destination machine not having that particular page. So it's not an internet issue. Okay, understand? Connectivity issue or there are not. IP address issues there are not. And internet issues there are not. I'm getting 404 error. Means it's not internet issue. Okay, internet is there. Only thing is destination PC, the web server don't have that page, or you are giving a wrong URL. The URL is you are giving is wrong URL. Okay, for not for error. Either you are giving wrong URL, either server side the page is not available. Okay, you are able to send a mail and receive. That's a good one. So now mailing is not working. You are sending a mail, but actually it's not able to send mail or receive a mail. You can't able to send new mails. You can't able to receive new mails. Internet is working or not? Yes, internet is working. So it may be mail server related problem or your client side configuration problem. Okay, so always not on the same point. Okay, guys, maybe physical connectivity, maybe IP addresses, or maybe client side application configuration or server side issue with this. Okay, sometimes internet. Okay, so you have to know what is exactly issue, what is the error it is showing. Based on that, you can do troubleshooting. So this is my HTTP website. I try to open with a HTTPS 172. This is 183. The server is 183 server. So I'm trying to access with the HTTPS. It's not HTTPS server. It is throwing an error to me. This site cannot be reached. Error correction refused. Go to details. So some details it is showing. Okay, from that one we don't understand. Error correction issues. It may be any issue, can be. It's a HTTPS I'm using, but my server is HTTP server. Now it is showing certain screen. I think sir removed that my configuration, so it is showing a testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I'm getting some page. The default page, HTTP page. Okay. So like this, guys, network error, internet error, connectivity error, or firewall related, or maybe application client side or server side, protocol related, encryption related issues can be there. So you have to understand where is an issue, understand where it is exactly located. You have to do troubleshooting according to it. Okay, this is something I've written, so later you can see. Okay, guys, like that, find out different network related issues, find out their solutions, try to understand how to resolve the issues. Yeah, finally, somewhat network troubleshooting is completed. Any doubts in the network troubleshooting, guys? పెట్టేశారా పెట్టారా Okay, now it's talking. Very good. Trouble becomes shooted.